In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to ask for a trade in NBA 2K26 My Career. Now one thing to know right away, you cannot request a trade during the season. 2K doesn't give us that option this year. Instead, you'll only be able to switch teams once your very first season is finished. So here how it works. First, play through your season and make sure you have completed your key games. After that, you can simulate the rest until you reach the end of the season. Once the season is over, you'll enter the off season. Here, the game might give you a couple of small activities like an open run or a FIBA game. You can either play them or skip them. It's up to you. Next, head over to your My Court. There you'll need to talk to Xander. A short cutscene will play and he'll ask if you want to wrap up the off season. Confirm that and right after you'll be taken straight into free agency. This is the key part. Free agency is where you finally get the option to pick your new team. You'll able to see every roster, check the depth by position and figure out which teams gives your player the best chance to shine. For example, let's say I started with Hornets but I want to move to Celtics. All I have to do is to select the Celtics, confirm it and then move into the next season. When the new season begins, if you check your team's rotation minutes, you'll see your player listed on your new squad. Just keep in mind when you change teams, your previous progress with your old team will not carry over. And that's pretty much of it. To switch teams in NBA 2K26, you have got to finish your first season, enter free agency and then sign with whichever team you like. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.